The nation is still reeling from the shocking Red Fort blast in Delhi, which claimed more than 10 lives and injured several others. What looked like a single tragic incident is now unfolding into something far bigger, a possible 2-year long terror conspiracy stretching across multiple Indian states. Investigators now believe that Monday's suspected car explosion near Red Fort was part of a larger terror plan being prepared by the Jaish-e-Mohammed network. Investigators also suspect the explosives were originally stockpiled for multiple attacks across India, but they were used prematurely in this strike. At the center of the investigation is Dr. Umar Un-Nabi, a teacher at Al Falah Medical College in Faridabad, and now the prime suspect. He is believed to have read the so-called Faridabad module, a small group of radicalized medical professionals that further included Dr. Muzammil Ahmed, Dr. Adil Majid, and Dr. Shaheen Shahid. According to officials, the group had been secretly collecting fertilizer-based explosives like ammonium nitrate for nearly 2 years. During interrogation, Dr. Shaheen revealed that Umar often spoke about unleashing multiple terror attacks across the country. Further, police raids across Jammu and Kashmir, Uttar Pradesh and Haryana have uncovered a wider network involving clerics and chemical suppliers who allegedly helped in logistics and radicalization. Meanwhile, in the latest development, forensic experts have recovered over 40 samples from the Red Fort blast site, including 2 live cartridges and traces of 2 different types of explosives. These samples are now under detailed examination at the Forensic Science Laboratory to determine their exact composition and source. A high-level security meeting has been scheduled at the Prime Minister's residence at 5:30 p.m. to review the findings and strengthen counter-terror measures. Now, as the NIA continues its probe, one thing is becoming increasingly clear, and that is the fact that Red Fort blast may not just be an attack on Delhi, but a warning sign of a hidden terror network operating under the guise of ordinary lives. What are your thoughts? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.